Controversy around trainee IAS officer Pooja Khedkar simply refuses to die down. She was scheduled to appear before the IAS administrative body, which is the Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration in Mussoorie, on the 23rd of July. But she failed to do so and is now allegedly missing. Remember, Khedkar is facing a criminal case for allegedly misrepresenting and falsifying facts in her civil service application. In a fresh twist in this case, Times Now has now accessed the copy of Dilip and Manorama Khedkar from 2010. It confirms that the two had separated in the year 2003 and had applied for a mutual divorce 6 years later in 2009. Manorama got custody of both Pooja and her brother and did not seek alimony from her husband. Now, sources are telling Times Now that the divorce was allegedly just a ruse. Pooja Khedkar allegedly misused the OBC non-creamy layer quota in the UPSC by falsely claiming that her parents are separated. Now, during her mock interviews, she claimed that her parents were divorced and that she lived with her mother. Let me go across to Nilesh now for more on this. Nilesh, tell us about this specific angle now to the entire controversy surrounding Pooja Khedkar.
Well, absolutely, and it feels like the controversy pertaining to Khedkar family is never dying. And it seems like the family has been living two lives, basically one on paper and one in their earlier life. We showed our audience on various days how various documents have been forged in order to get a creamy posting into the administrative services. Now this big update is given out by one of official sources who mentions how the Khedkar family, that is the father and mother in particular, have been forging documents of their divorce certification. As per these documents, both are divorced on paper in 2010, which was initiated in 2009. However, they have been living their lives together in the very same roof along with the whole family. This was just done in order to show Pooja Khedkar belonging from a poor background. However, the documents which was filed by Dilip Khedkar, that is the father, during contesting during the elections, showed the couple being together. So there is a big contradiction into what goes into the real life and the documented life of this particular family. So this is a big update. Though Pooja Khedkar is missing, however, the controversies are finding new place when it comes to the Khedkar family in particular.
All right, we'll be in touch with you, Nilesh, for more information on this. Thanks in the meantime for briefing us about this latest angle in this controversy. Politics over the case, however, continues, while the Vanchit Bahujan Aghadi chief continues to defend Pooja Khedkar, alleging a media trial against her. The Shiv Sena has now accused the opposition of habitually lying and has assured action in this case.
मेरे ख्याल से उनकी मुलाकात हुई थी और उनके मुलाकात में उन्होंने यही कहा कि भैया प्रेस और मीडिया ट्रायल होने के बजाय कानूनी ट्रायल अगर हो तो अच्छी है, और कानूनी ट्रायल होती है तो कानूनी ट्रायल में हम इन सब का जवाब वहाँ पर देंगे। तो मैं समझता हूँ कि तब तक के लिए अपने को रुकना चाहिए। अब ऐसा है कि मैं सीधे पूछता हूँ, पूजा खेड़कर को टारगेट कर रहे हो, मैं उसमें कोई दखल अंदाज नहीं दे रहा हूँ या उस पर कोई टिप्पणी भी नहीं कर रहा हूँ। सुनो, लेकिन मैं ये कहता हूँ, आप ये क्यों नहीं पूछते कि जिस डॉक्टर ने इनको ये सर्टिफिकेट दिया, आप उनको क्यों नहीं टारगेट कर रहे?
एक लड़की है पूजा खेड़कर, इसने जो भी किया है वो गलत किया है। राज्य सरकार ने भी उसकी कंप्लेंट की है, उसको वापस निकाला गया, तो राज्य सरकार ने कहीं उसको संवारा नहीं है। सबसे जाहिर सी बात है, अभी अगर पूजा खेड़कर कहाँ गायब हो गई है तो हम उसको ढूंढ के निकालेंगे भाई। हम इतने गैंगस्टर को निकालते हैं तो पूजा खेड़कर क्या बात है। तो इनको झूठ बोलने की आदत लग गई है, नरेटिव, झूठ नरेटिव सेट करने की आदत विरोधी दल को लगी है।
Well, we're staying with Maharashtra, but it's a different developing story. Just ahead of the state assembly polls, a fresh face-off has now erupted in Maharashtra with the former state Home Minister Mr. Anil Deshmukh levelling sensational allegations against the current Deputy Chief Minister Mr. Devendra Fadnavis. The NCP Sharad Pawar faction MLA has alleged that 3 years ago Mr. Fadnavis and a BJP intermediary had asked him to sign affidavits against important figures in the Mahavikas Aghadi government to avoid getting in the web of probes under central agencies such as the ED and the CBI. Let's remind you that these allegations are with respect to the period when Mr. Deshmukh was serving as the State Home Minister in Maharashtra. Deshmukh has also alleged that he was instructed by the BJP intermediary to accuse Uddhav Thackeray of graft in the municipal elections and was also asked to accuse Aditya Thackeray of involvement in the death of Disha Salia.
कल श्याम मानव जी ने जो बताया वो एकदम सही है। 3 साल पहले देवेंद्र फडणवीस ने मुझे उद्धव ठाकरे के ऊपर झूठे आरोप करने के लिए लगाया था। आदित्य ठाकरे, अजीत पवार और अनिल परब, इनके खिलाफ में आप एफिडेविट हमको करके दो, लिख के लाया था उन्होंने। लिख के एक आदमी के जरिए से उसे भेजा था कि ये एफिडेविट आप इनके ऊपर आरोप आप लगाइए, इसका एफिडेविट करके दीजिए। 3 साल पहले जो एफिडेविट करने को मैंने इनकार किया, उसके वजह से उन्होंने मेरे पीछे ईडी सीबीआई लगा कि मुझे जेल में डाला।
Now, the Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Devendra Fadnavis, has furiously rejected these charges leveled by the NCP Sharad Pawar faction leader and former State Home Minister, Mr. Anil Deshmukh. Hitting back at Deshmukh, Fadnavis has referred to the audio visuals of Anil Deshmukh talking ill about Thackeray, Sharad Pawar and Sachin Vaze. Citing those audio and video clips, Fadnavis has now demanded proof of Deshmukh's charges against him, or else he warned him of severe consequences.
ठेवून राहत नाही, पण माझा एक सिद्धांत पक्का आहे, मी कोणाच्या नादी लागत नाही, कोणी नादी लागलं तर सोडत नाही। मी आज तुम्हाला स्पष्टपणे सांगतो आणि माझं त्यांनाही सांगणं आहे, कारण त्यांच्याच पक्षाच्या लोकांनी त्या काळातल्या त्यांचे काही ऑडिओ व्हिज्युअल्स हे मला आणून दिलेले आहेत। त्यामध्ये ते उद्धव ठाकरेंबद्दल काय बोलतायत, ते पवार साहेबांबद्दल काय बोलतायत, या संपूर्ण जे आरोप आज आमच्यावर लावतायत त्या संदर्भात ते काय बोलतायत, वाझेवर ते काय बोलतायत, या सगळ्या गोष्टी आहेत। माझ्यावर वेळ आली तर मला त्या पब्लिक कराव्या लागतील। मी अशा प्रकारचं राजकारण करत नाही, पण रोज जर कोणी खोटं बोलून या ठिकाणी नरेटिव्ह सेट करण्याचा प्रयत्न करत असेल तर त्यांनी एवढं लक्षात ठेवावं, देवेंद्र फडणवीस पुराव्याशिवाय कधीच बोलत नाही।
We're slipping into a short break right now, but on the other side, shocking remarks being made by the former Chief Minister of Punjab and current Member of Parliament in the Lok Sabha, Mr. Charanjit Singh Channi. Our coverage of that will follow after this break. Stay tuned.